Ever wanted to bring your character to life from every angle? Let's dive into crafting a character turnaround in Adobe Illustrator, going from concept to a fully realized view of your character. First things first, sketch your character's front view on paper, then in Illustrator, create a new document, and set it to the size you want. Next, transfer that initial sketch to Illustrator by either importing it or redrawing it with the pen tool or pencil tool. This helps outline your base silhouette. Once you have your front view outlined, create a new layer and sketch in every detail you want your character to have. Now, create a new layer for the side view, and then use the front view as a reference. This is key for maintaining character consistency. Start with a basic outline, considering your character's form from this different perspective, then refine with details that you created in the existing front view. Duplicate your layer and then go to the rotate tool to create a back view, then rotate or adjust it to create the turnarounds of the character from different angles. Use the same processes as the other views. Finally, clean up your line art. You can adjust, refine, and color each view. This gives your character real depth. You're now equipped to create your character turnarounds in Adobe Illustrator with enough detail to convey your character's design from every direction. Great job! Once you're done, you can easily share your character. Use this method to animate and build your character design portfolio.